Good morning, everybody. Today on E90 Wednesday, we're going to be restoring our headlights.
All of the night I hear them outside, calling for me, yeah, calling for me when you packed outside, yeah. Back out, Sacks. I take no feeling when you lack out.
So right now the headlights, they're looking pretty bad. They're all yellowed, and on top of that, like on top of the headlight is like starting to crack more than like the outside. So because it's like cracking on the top and it's all yellow, it really degrades the look of the car. It's probably one of the worst looking parts about it right now. So I picked up a restoration kit from Griot's Garage. It was AutoZone for like $29, I think, so really not too bad, depending on how it comes out. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys and show you what it comes with. I'm pretty sure it comes with the sandpaper and everything. I'm not too sure about the grit sizes, so we'll see what it comes with and then I'll open it up for you guys. So let's get started. 142% brighter, so we'll see if it actually does that or not. That seems pretty outlandish, but
you know, for me, I'm pretty excited about this, guys. This is gonna be interesting to see how this turns out. You know, some of this stuff they work, some of this stuff it doesn't, so we're gonna see if this headlight restorer actually works. Right, Gita?
we'll see.
It looks good.
So here we have the headlight restoration coating. These are the sandpaper grits. Oh yeah, right here. It doesn't tell you the grit size, but this is it right there. 3 cleaning towels, and I guess multiple pieces of cloth. I was kind of hoping they would tell me the grit size, that way I could tell you guys what size sandpaper to get, but it doesn't tell me, so oh well. So let's go ahead and get started then.
We're gonna mask off the area around the headlight, and we also have to take off, you see all these little bugs? It says we can't have any dirt on the headlight, so let's get some of that tape. You didn't get the tape.
Also, I want to tell you guys that I have tried restoration kits in the past. I forgot the brand. I think it was 3M was the one I tried last time, and it cleared up for like a day. It looked really good, but it only lasted that long. Like a week later, they're back to being yellow and probably even worse than before too. So I'm really hoping that this kit's different and you know, we actually get some lasting results that last more than a month. So we'll see. So the first step that we're going to be doing, I have some masking tape right here. So we're going to go off and mask off the side of the headlights that we don't want sanded down. So let's go ahead and do that right now.
This is a 2009 328 xDrive E90 BMW. These were manufactured from 2006 to 2012. These were really the representatives of the Halo. Now this one has been a bit modified. We have put black kidney grills. There's a couple modifications on their engine. There is a sport tuning active auto works exhaust. This also has a lowering kit by BC Racing. Now this has the xDrive option, all-wheel drive control system.
It's front wheel drive.
Huh? No, it has all-wheel drive control system. This allows the car to transfer the power to individual wheels. Now, the cool thing about that is when you're installing tunes on these cars, you're able to make it rear-wheel drive, which is coming up in a future video if you guys don't know. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next car. Alright guys, after masking off both headlights, now we are going to get some Windex and we're just going to wipe up the headlights a little bit, get them somewhat clean so that when we sand it, it comes out even and we don't have any bugs in the, you know what I mean. You just want your headlights clean before you get it done. Oh my gosh, it's already fixed. Get up, get up. I'm not even joking. Holy, what the heck? Look at the other one. Throw the headlight restorer away, just use Windex. Do you guys see that? Was it always like that? I don't even know right now.
This is unbeatable Windex. So that's probably why.
Wait, never mind. It just went back to normal. You want it as dirty as possible, trust me.
Now we're gonna wet sand until the running water becomes milky white. At first it's gonna be milky yellow, so we wanna keep sanding it until it's milky white. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see right now, the running water kind of has a yellow look to it, so we're gonna keep on wet sanding until that becomes white.
We should do this for a living. Unyellowing, guys. Thanks for doing big stuff to the car, and then Gito. Alright guys, today we're applying some yellow remover. How the mighty have fallen. Gito, you really thought I was mighty at one point?
Oh, you will not be able to see into the headlight.
What do you mean? Isn't that the point?
Okay guys, so we just spent like 10 minutes wet sanding. It's pretty smooth to the touch over here, but over here towards the right corner, it's still kind of rough and not as opaque as over here. So we're gonna give it a second coat of wet sanding and we'll get back to you guys.
They probably didn't want you to do this much work for a single headlight. They're like, sir, only spend about 5 minutes every headlight, Gito 30 minutes on each one. We gotta go take pictures after this. I'm looking at the rest of the car, like it's covered in bird poop and dirt.
Ooh, that's a lot smoother. Over here, this is more clear than here. And that's what it wants. It wants it to be opaque. So this is really good though over here. We did a really good job over here.
Oh my gosh, okay Ferrari, yes, everything's perfect.
That's the difference between you and me.
That you're slowing down fast, I know.
It's more about attention to detail.
Scott! You don't know what happens to the universe if the sandpaper touches the ground. Alright guys, put in the comment section below, what do you think the next mod is going to be? And better yet, right below that, write what you want the next mod to be. And we'll see if we can make it happen. We do see every single one of your comments. Do you guys hear that?
Nosferatu.
Before and after, guys. Major difference.
Ooh, spot right here. You see that?
No? You're just imagining spots. Big dent right here. I'm like, Gito, I don't even see anything. And now Gito's petting the headlight. If we get 15k likes, we will do a supercharged swap, right, Gito?
Yes. Okay, so we just finished up this headlight. As you can see, it's pretty even all the way around and how it's not as transparent or opaque anymore. So here's the difference between the two. Right now they kind of look about the same, except this one right here is sanded down. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply the headlight coating. So I'll get back to you as soon as I know how to do it.
1 hour later.
You think we should sand down some more or it's good?
Gito, you've been standing for an hour. It's good.
Raise the hood and mask out the rest of the surrounding.
This guy.
I think it's good to raise the hood.
When Gito just wants to see his engine. It didn't even say that in the manual. I'm literally done with this kid. He spends more than an hour on each headlight when it says 5 to 10 minutes. Gito, get what you can. Get out of here.
Take what you can, what you can't.
Like, literally. If you have to, steal it. Like,
My motto, hashtag it is what it is.
alright, Gito, what's next?
Now we drive.
What? Drive? We just gave the E90 eyelashes, so
Alright, so now the next step is we're gonna wipe down the headlight with the alcohol wipes that were included. So let's do that. So here it is. Oh yeah.
why'd you just make that weird noise?
For the hype.
You're supposed to go like, oh my gosh, bruh, this is the biggest difference I've ever. Bruh. Okay, that's from like 12 years ago. What if like we do this and it makes it worse? It's not yellow, but it's completely blurry.
You know what that means?
Not really. Could you? Boy.
Alright, put it.
Alright, guys. Let's skip to cinematic. I'm not even joking. That looks so much better.
It looks a little bit better.
That's what we paid for. Just a little bit better.
Yeah, this thing is not gonna cover. No, we're already running out.
Do you let it sit or do you wipe it?
No, you let it sit. Alright guys, let me turn the AC. So, I think I used too much spray on the first headlight. So I'm gonna head down to AutoZone right now and I'm gonna pick up a second kit. And depending if I use all of the spray before finishing the second headlight, then I'll use the second spray can. But that's one fault I found. I wish they would have gave me a little bit more spray. It seemed like it was already gone by the first headlight. So let's head on to AutoZone right now and pick it up just in case. That way I don't start one and then I'm not able to finish it. So let's go there right now. Alright guys, so we're here at AutoZone. The only problem I see happening is that we picked up the last one last week, so I'm hoping that they restocked it, because if not, then we're gonna have to go to a different one. So let's see. So as you can see, they're out right now. So let's go check out a different one. So they're out. So we have to go to another AutoZone now. So let's go ahead and see which one has it. Alright guys, so looks like what I said was true. We picked up the last one last week and they still haven't restocked. So we're gonna head down to a different AutoZone right now and then hopefully they have it. So let's head down there.
Yeah, did you see how good it was? It was.
Alright, round two guys. We're at a different AutoZone right now. So let's go ahead and check out to see if they have the headlight restored. Nope. That sucks. Alright guys, this is the third AutoZone we're going to be trying today. I'm really hoping that they have it because if they don't, it's going to be really inconvenient that we have half of the headlights sprayed. This one is set up very similarly to the first one we went to. Wait, did we go to the same one? Oof, that's gonna suck. So I guess we're just gonna have to use the spray very sparingly because all the other zones we went to don't have it. Let's hope that we have enough and we don't have a headlight that's half fogged up and then half cleared. Or maybe that's the style nowadays. Maybe that'll be cool. Who knows? Everybody's gonna start having their headlights half fogged up and half clear.
No, you just black out one of your headlights and then the other one stays up and then you wrap your car half and half.
Or we tape up the other half. We tape an X and then we only spray we only tape the exposed parts of the X. Or we can try a different brand.
It's not gonna look the same though.
I think this is the one I got last time. Turtle wax. And then it fogged up within like a week. It was either the turtle wax or the 3M one, I forget. So this one didn't have it either, but the lady was nice enough to look it up on her system and she said that the one on Floor and Road has it. So we're gonna head over there right now and hopefully her computer was not lying. So let's go check it out.
Bro, why are you messing up my intro? I talked first. What?
The last AutoZone, hopefully, and this one looks a little bit different. And I don't see it. Oh no, here we go, right here. Nice. And the other thing? Dang, it's like they know you need to. All right, let's pay for this and get back on the road. Oh yeah.
$10 rebate too.
$2 rebate.
All right, so let's get this. Let's get
For
out of here.
cinematics.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go. All right, guys. So this AutoZone actually ended up having it, thankfully. So we got the headlight restoration kit, and then we also got a nozzle for a car wash. You pour your soap in it, and it sprays the soap all over the car. So
For the cinematics.
that will be good for cinematics.
cinematics.
For cinematics, that'll be really good. So we're gonna head back to the house right now. I might get gas, but hopefully
Starbucks.
we can finish getting the headlight restored today. So I'll get back to you guys later. Okay, why is Max in here? Alright guys, so we just came back from running all our errands. The problem is I had to help my dad drop off the truck and pick it up out of town, so I'm not gonna be able to finish the second headlight today because it's already getting kind of dark, and the instruction says that to cure it needs to be in direct sunlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the second headlight tomorrow, and in the meantime right now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on washing the car, making it look nice. It's pretty dirty right now. See, it's pretty dirty as it stands right now. So let's go ahead and give it a wash for tomorrow, and then we can go ahead and do that second headlight. But this one over here came out really good, in my opinion. Look how clear it is. I was really surprised with the results. And here's the old one right here, all fogged up. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on washing the car.